What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can probably tell by the title, we finally got the Mazda back. Yes sir, we did. So yeah, I don't want to get too into it. I think I have some clips of me picking it up. I've had it probably like about a week or so now. I don't want to show you guys it yet, but yeah, I'll see if I could add some clips of maybe of me picking it up. If not, I'll just go straight to like some cinematics and stuff. But yeah, let me just show you guys the car and then we'll go from there. Drum roll, please. Ta-da! Nah, I'm just fucking with you. It's right here, fam. This is how it is currently sitting. I'll get to why there's mismatched wheels. It kind of kills it, but yeah, guys, this is how it looks. This is how it looks. This is how it currently sits, as you guys can tell. There's the SC in the background. Why don't I have the flash on? But yeah, this is how the car currently sits. That lip that we installed a couple videos ago didn't even last me 2 hours after I bagged the car. Kid you guys not. As soon as I threw on these wheels, since they're a bit smaller than my stock ones, just destroyed it when I went cruising. Let me see where I wanted to show you guys something. There's the rear lip for that, but I don't know if you guys could tell. Basically what ended up happening, you guys might not be able to tell. I don't think it's actually, no, it is not. This one looks bent. Oh, let me take this out real quick. Well, here it is, guys. I don't know if you guys could tell or not, but this wheel is bent from right here. Yeah, sadly, what ended up happening was I was going to my friend's house, and on the way there, I guess, basically I hit like a really nasty pothole because I wasn't in a city that I was used to. And yeah, I tried to avoid it, but it was way too late, and that pothole was huge. So I ended up having to replace it. I was gonna run it like that, I mean, whatever's, but it doesn't hold air. The good thing is that I do plan on rebuilding these and the ones in the rear. So, I mean, at least now I have a reason to do it. The good thing is, I was gonna say this for a later video, but I have a set of stock of different wheels. I purchased those probably about like a month or two ago, just because I wanted different wheels for this car. All right, so technically what I was gonna do was I was gonna have these wheels, as you guys can see right here. These were gonna go on the SC, which is over here. I can't show you guys because I already did stuff to it. All right, guys, so this is technically future me. When I recorded this video earlier, I ended up pressing slow motion, so the whole entire like next 4 or 5 clips that I have for you guys were in slow motion. So basically what I was trying to say in those clips was that these wheels were originally for the SC, and I was just gonna keep them the same brush silver with the polished lips, and these wheels were actually gonna be for the silver Mazda. I was gonna get those powder coated white because like I feel like white wheels with silver, with the silver car, look cool. But yeah, so that's the whole switch up on the wheels, or like the situation with the wheels on how it is right now. But I'm running both just because I have to. And yeah, basically what we're gonna do in this week's video is install aftermarket taillights, which are actually already installed because this is future me. So yeah, these is how the taillights look during the day, but stay tuned for how they look at night and how I install them. It's not really a how-to video, but I mean, it's whatever it is. And yeah, I really want to show the SC, but you guys probably already saw it, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, I also want to show you guys, I do have a steering wheel cover that I'll probably show you guys later on in the video that I got from Ross, which I thought was pretty cool. It's a steering wheel cover, nothing crazy. I'm not gonna go aftermarket steering wheel because I want to keep the car as OEM on the inside as I can. But yeah, guys, stay tuned, as I think the next clip is just me starting to take everything off of the headlights. Might not make sense because of where I'm at, but basically I just popped the trunk. So imagine just me popping up the trunk and going from there. Guys, now before I start taking stuff off, I want to show you guys the difference. So these are the taillights that I have right now. To me, they look kind of hideous. I feel like they're like eyeballs are just too far apart. You see, like the circle, and then this one just doesn't really look good to me. But I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when these are on. I'll show you guys, but I just want to wait, you know, a little suspense. But yeah, basically what you guys gotta do, which I already pulled out. There's 3 screws right here. 1, 2, 3. I believe they're 10 millimeters. There's this wiring thing, which should be the same thing for the other one too. And then this wiring thing. This is different. I'm assuming from the OEM one, but it should be around the same thing. Just pull those 2 plugs out. I feel like there might be another one, either an extra one here or there. I forgot which one, but it's basically plug and play. This part is the tricky part where you got to do some type of wiring, but it shouldn't be too hard. So yeah, let me take these off and start throwing them on over there. Alright guys, now as you guys can see, it's probably the same thing. 3 bolts right there and a couple of clips that you gotta undo for the OEM one. So I'm gonna just undo those and swap out with the other one. Now, so what you guys are gonna have to do is you guys are gonna have to take out this unibrow thing that we have for our cars. It's not that hard. I mean, it kind of is hard. You gotta like take stuff out from here and then from under here. Sadly, it's all kind of dark, so I can't really tell. There's let me see, there's a 10 millimeter somewhere in there. Oh, that I took off already. There's another 10 right there on this side. Obviously unplug everything. But yeah, basically you gotta pull these out. Basically, if you guys watch my LED light installation, it's kind of the same thing for these, except that you gotta take this one out too. But yeah, basically once you manage to get the unibrow off, what I'm really excited about is because for this car, I actually, I don't know if you guys could tell or not, but this is kind of broken on mine. I guess you could say my girl's car now. You guys can see like the little crack right there. Luckily, when I went to the junkyard, I found some. Let me see if I have it somewhere here. All right, so I finally found it in my garage. But yeah, basically here it is. All right, so this is like, I got this one. I was gonna take the whole thing, but I don't want to pay for the whole thing. So I went to the junkyard, and yeah, I'm gonna replace this one. I also got a right side, but the right side's good, so I'm gonna just keep this one just in case, because you know I don't know how to drive. So we'll swap these out real quick, and then we'll get on with the installation. Guys, it looks like it's probably like 12. At least that's what I thought it was, or at least like 10 or something, but it's actually 7 o'clock. That's because Cali under daylight savings. It's freaking crazy. All right, guys, so one last time. This is how the OEM ones look, as you guys can tell. So there you go. This is what I was talking about, like where like the eyes look, at least these little things look like eyes to me. And it's taillights. You see what I'm talking about? Crazy, right? And then I swapped out the LEDs here too, from that car to this one. And then I got a custom license plate that says blank lames. But yeah, guys, this is how they look. A lot of people say they look like Fusion lights, Ford Fusion rear lights. But I mean, this is how they look from the side. So when you're cruising, I guess. Yeah, guys, I mean, crazy. Now I'll show you guys how I look in the morning. I am kind of tired too, so this was kind of tiring. But yeah, guys, this is how I look, I guess, during the night with them off. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. I'll show you guys in how they look in the morning in 3, 2. Yeah, guys, all right. So this is now officially morning time, and damn, I'm wearing this hoodie. It's hot. But this is how they look. Some of you guys might ask why I have this. This is one of my friend's brands that it's like he has like a little car brand going on. So I figured why not throw it on the car. But yeah, guys, this is how it looks. And that's how that one looks. Sadly, I won't be throwing the duck bill on. My girl does intend on doing stuff to that car, so for instance, it's already color matched to that car. Why not? But yeah, this is how the lights look. Now, before I go, there is one thing that is bugging me about the car, and that is this right here. As you guys can see, these are pretty beat up. Now, I don't have time. What is this? I don't have time to sand it down and put clear over it. So as a temporary solution, I went ahead and went to Harbor Freight probably like a month or so ago. And I got a little polishing bit. And I have this McGuire's. I have a full one too, but I found this one. So I'm just throw some of this on real quick and see how it looks. And yeah, before I go ahead and do that, I want to show you guys something. I don't know if you guys can see it through here, but I don't know if you guys can or not. You see that? It's easier to see in person, but basically the steering wheel cover that I was talking about, this is how it looks like. I know, kind of. Some of you guys might not like it, but I like it. I like it a lot from the outside because you clearly tell. But yeah, now let's get started with these headlights. I'm not supposed to let it dry, so just throw it on and then wipe it off, I guess. So this is a before. I'll show you guys the after right now. Alright guys, so this is how it came out. There's still a little bit right here, but that's because I'm in a hurry right now, so I'm gonna just do it off camera when I get home because I'm about to leave. But yeah, and then this side came out a lot better, but still there's like a little area right here that I could probably redo. But I mean, for like a temporary, pretty good. And then if you guys did see that Cerakote video from last time, this sucked, guys. It's back to like yellow hazy over here. I don't know if I did it wrong or what, but you can tell from over here. But these obviously look a lot worse than these. These look pretty good actually. So yeah, sadly the car is filthy. But yeah guys, this is how it sits. Alright guys, so this is kind of weird because I'm having to shoot it from this side. But basically I have to shoot an outro for you guys because my phone's mic is messed up. So yeah, if you guys did make it to the end of the video, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate and love all the support I've been getting from you guys. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about the car. Let me know what wheels you guys prefer on them. Because I still don't know which one I'm going to choose. Obviously, it's good to have options though. And yeah, also let me know what you guys think about the taillights. Obviously, I know some of you guys don't like them because they look like Ford Fusion lights. But it's whatever. But yeah, stay tuned for the next video, as the next one will be one based for the Lexus. As you guys already saw, I am painting it. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And yeah, if you guys did make it to the end of the video, guys, appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.